All our clubs are fantastic. I mean, if you name a student interest, there's probably a club here. We have a sewing club, we got a fishing club, we got a tech club, we got all of these clubs, and I think it broadens the educational horizon for a lot of these students. And I think it's what's needed outside of the day-to-day of the classroom grind.
I love how we get to cook a ton of things in culinary, and it's really fun to cook stuff with my friends.
Every day there's something for our children that they can identify with, and by doing that, they're building those relationships not only with the teachers or staff members leading the clubs, but they're developing a sense of pride, in what it means to be a student here at Woodland Middle School.
You hear nonstop every single day, I'm in this club, I'm in this club, we do this, we do that, X, Y, and Z, and they loved it. It makes a difference, and you can see the improvement of their behaviors. It's just a wonderful thing that we have going on at Woodland Middle.
So pretty much weightlifting has changed my life. My grades were terrible. I got in trouble a lot. I was always in the office. And Mr. LeVar and Mr. Brzezinski have been amazing role models for me. My grades now are so much better since then.
I think it comes back to motivation. How do you take that middle school student and motivate them to maybe do a subject that they don't want to do? And clubs provide that outlet.
I've seen a lot of students excel academically due to clubs, especially because mine specifically has a grade requirement as well as an academic behavior requirement. So they have to hold themselves to a higher standard, and now they're trying harder in their classes every single day.
We have 30+ clubs that provide service, that provide leadership, that provide exposure to a variety of activities. It really hits our children at that critical time to where they're able to be pushed, guided, mentored to be successful, to make the right decisions, not only here at middle school, but to set them up for success at high school.
I'm glad I joined because I have people here that support me, people here that see my potential, and I help people now because they taught me what to do and now I can teach others.
As much as we motivate the children, those children motivate me and coach every single day when we come in here.
I got into teaching to change people, and the impact of being that positive role model for students is the reason I'm here. While I enjoy my moments in the classroom, and I know that that is the priority of my job, the best moments of my career have been doing this coaching here. I feel I've made the most difference in these children's lives here, and quite frankly, I'm proud of all of them. I'm proud of the progress I've seen in here.
It's a great honor to be in here with the kids every single day.